Welcome to Sunset News. I'm Muhammad Ishraf Ben Harizan from Class 3 ADS.
And I am Nur Hanisidayu binti Sokra from 3 Al-Khawarizmi. Let's look at today's top story.
On 11 September 2025, SMK Seri Kuala held a closing ceremony for the National Month. The program began with the singing of the national anthem.
Then, there was a short drama performance about history. After that, students from SISP program gave a singing performance. The ceremony was filled with spirit and pride.
Later in the month, the school organized a camping program on 26 and 27 September 2025. On the first day, students joined marching practice. Later, they had fun with the telematch games which encouraged teamwork.
At night, everyone enjoyed a tasty barbecue. After the meal, students and teachers gathered for a cultural night with songs, dance, and traditional shows.
The camping trip gives students a chance to learn new skills and spend quality time together.
Moving on, the Global Sumut Flotilla is on its way to Gaza. The flotilla carries food, medicine, and messages of peace.
Malaysia is part of this mission. 34 Malaysian volunteers under the group Sumut Nusantara have joined the flotilla. Their goal is to show solidarity and support. Many Malaysians are proud to follow their journey.
In Thailand, a large sinkhole suddenly appeared in a rural area. The hole damaged roads and made travel difficult for villagers.
Authorities worked quickly to block the area and start repairs. Thankfully, no lives were lost, but it will take time before the road is safe again.
That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us.
Goodbye and see you next time.